Hi, this is Patty. Welcome back to our basic element training tutorials. Today we're going to be talking about the text element. It's up here in the upper left-hand corner. I'm just going to click on our text element. Now with this element, they actually have two toolbars for you to style your text with. So you've got a lot of diversity here. On the left-hand side, we have your overall text size. So this is where you can use the slider to decrease or increase your letters. You can also choose line spacing. So if you have more than one line of content, you can choose a little bit more white space behind, make it a little easier to read. You can also choose your letter spacing, stretching out your letters a little bit here too. And you can add some shadow behind your text. It's black right now, so what I'm going to do, and that's by default, I'm just going to go up to the upper toolbar up here, and I'm going to just choose my text color to be white so that you can see it a little bit better. Okay. So the background color we can choose. If we're going to make a banner, let's choose purple. This will make it stand out a little bit. And on that banner, I want to choose white for my border. And we did this before when we went through the box element. We chose borders. And I want to round this out a little bit. And then the padding right here, just adjust your letters so that it goes in between all that box here. Now, just so you know, what you can do is you can take your handles and adjust your box so that it fits very nicely around your text right here. And right there, you've got a nice little banner, very simply created and easy for you to use in your display in your slide. You can also put animation on this. So if I want this to lay down when it opens up, and I might want to do jump or heartbeat. We've done heartbeat the last couple of times. Let's choose the jump. And I'm going to hit that animation. You'll see it pop in, and our text has a nice jump to it. On the upper section up here, we have our font. And in order to change your font, you want to make sure that you highlight all of your text to do that, just like in Word or any other Word program. So we're going to change this, and we'll just make it easy. So we'll put in Arial. Stretch that out again so that it fits nicely. Okay, this double A here allows you to focus in on a section of words or even just one word to either increase it or decrease it. I'm going to increase it to 125%, so now text stands out even a little bit more. Here is your background color, but we've already got a background in here, so we don't need to worry about this. I'm not going to choose that. And just like in Word, you can bold, italics, underline, strike through, and your subscripts and superscripts. Here is your alignment here. So I usually go with the center alignment to make sure everything lines up beautifully. We have our ordered list, unordered list, and you can increase the indent here. So you've got a lot of options, just like any word processing software. On the right-hand side over here, I want to draw attention to the emoticons. I'm going to click on that. Now you have hundreds of different little emoticons that you can choose from. One of the most frequently used in businesses goes underneath the ATM symbols, usually used for handicap or bathrooms or wayfinding with arrows, etc. Those are the most common. What's really nice about choosing this is you don't have to go to another software to find those emoticons. They are also dictated by your overall text size. So the larger you make your text, the larger your emoticon is going to be as well. You can import information, text information from other formats, whether you're just copying from another Microsoft program and pasting it in here. You can clear all that formatting by highlighting all that text and then go ahead and click Clear Formatting. And now the formatting we previously used, notice it went back and it went back to Quattro Sans by default. So that so far is how you use your text. But we have another feature in here. I'm just going to lengthen my box, my text box, and I'm going to show you how you can insert a table. So just click on the table up here, and I'm going to choose a 3-column, 3-row table. And you'll notice that that's exactly how it comes in. This is great if you're going to make a small menu, or if you wanted to show office hours or list donors or anything like that, that you want something to lay out in a particular fashion. So what I'd like to show you is you can type in here. Now notice that it's quite large, so we're going to decrease the size here. And when I click in this cell, you're going to see that you have a submenu up here. And the submenu allows you to create a header or a footer. You can delete the whole table right from here. You can insert rows, delete rows. You can insert columns or delete columns. You can also stylize the borders however you wish. If I click alternate rows, then every other row is going to have a highlight to it. You can also merge and split cells. You can color the backgrounds of every cell. You have vertical alignment and horizontal alignment, and then each cell that can be also stylized as well. So this is the only place that you're going to find just an actual like a table for you to use, and it's only going to be in your text element. So if by some chance you want to delete your text element, several of our elements you can just use your keyboard. However, this one you cannot. You need to go down to the delete button, and it'll ask permission, and then you can delete it. So that is the text element, and stay tuned for additional element tutorials.